This video review how to create online PDF printing for free without investment. Okay, let's go. First time open your Chrome browser and search option toolsandpro.com and enter top section so 100% free best all type tools master Pro G. Okay, click now this option, open this site, scroll and 18 plus multiple PDF tools. Okay, scroll 100 plus calculator tools. Okay, social media tools, image editing tools, etc. Okay, this video review PDF tools. Click now this option and open this site. Scroll, search icon, any type PDF need your requirement. Okay, this video review PDF printer. Okay, click now this option, open this site. Scroll, PDF printer. Scroll, select file, your device, import from Dropbox, import from Google Drive, your requirement. Okay, I am select file, your device, one file and print to PDF option. Okay, and this option is extra value. This section select size, A4 size, letter size, legal size. Okay, and optimization, portrait option and horizontal size and non-full page. Okay, non-full, small and normal, this option, and fit to page, this option, fit to page and fill page cover. Okay, and print option, print to PDF option. Click now. This video review helpful, please like, subscribe and follow this my channel and this my page. Next video next day and enjoy this option.